50 years, a golden chapter of excellence, growth and service. Today is more than just a celebration. It is a tribute to every hand and heart from the past to present who have helped us to shape the institution into what it is today.
थोड्या अशा परिस्थिती असतात की फर्स्ट टाइम हायर सेकंडरी येणारे, फर्स्ट जनरेशन हायर सेकंडरी येणारे भुरगे असतात. हे सगळे सिच्युएशन असून सुद्धा ह्या वर्सा 498 स्टुडंट्स पडले 12वीक आमच्या 94.72% रिजल्ट येयलो. आणि म्हाका दिसता सगळे क्रेडिट टिचर्सांक वता. मॅनेजमेंट फक्त शकतो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर त्याच्या पलीकडे कांय दिवं शकना.
100 200-300 मातृभाषा आहा, गोंयांतच 2-3 मातृभाषा आहा. तेन्ना हो भुरगो हेच्या फुडें जो येणारो तेजें भविश्य कशें जातलें हो पेरंटाक आमकां अशें म्हाकाय दिसता तेन्ना भुरग्यांक आनी पेरंटाक समोर पळयता की आतां हेच्या फुडें येणाऱ्या भुरग्यांचें भविश्य कितें, ती कितें करतली. हांव कोंकणीची हांगासर व्हडली एक कार्यकार जाल्लो.
50 वर्सां जाली खरी, जे ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूटाक ज्या मनशांनी काम केल्लें आहा, इतकी मेहनत केल्ली आहा, तितूंतलो वान एकूच हांव सांगता आमचे किरण शिरोडकर तेची एंटायर टीम. तसोच आमकां नायक रामनाथ दांगे म्हणून आहा, आमी कॉलेजीन पळयता जेन्ना हे इतके इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर उबें जाता, हे बेश्टें जायना, फायनान्स आसल्या कारणान जायना, ताका पेपर वर्क लागता, प्रॉपर चॅनलान लायसन्सींग आसता आनी ते हे सगळे लायसन्सींग करपाक तर सगळ्याहून एफर्ट घेता तो आमचो रामनाथ दांगे.
When I can say one very important thing is this institution has given meritorious students at the Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education. The results that DM's High Secondary School then secured was the first rank, the second rank and the third rank. And to this, the testimony is our Sham sir is here, Sir Pandit is here, Sir Malik is here, Madam Sandra is there.
They said 50% of you are happy if your parents are also happy type of people. So look at your parents. If they are always angry, you are likely to be always also angry. And if your parents are happy people, likely you will be happy. So the other 25% they said is from an event like today, Golden Jubilee of your higher secondary school. Children should be made independent. You have to ask a lot of questions, and someone gives you an answer, you have to question that answer as well. So that is what will make you a good citizen. And if this country has to come up, which is only through you.